Now, if you have a drum rear brake, it's going to look something like this. You won't have a disc or a big chrome round thing here. Your brake shoes are inside this drum right here, and they're activated by this lever. So when I press the rear brake lever on this bike, you see the lever come forward like so. And that's twisting the little metal piece in there and pushing the shoes out, and that is what's actually applying your braking, or your brake shoes are applying the resistance that slows down the wheel. If you were to adjust these, you'll put a wrench on this nut here, and you can crank it in to move it further in, obviously, and tighten up the rear brakes, or you could back it out. This nut here has a little U-shaped notch on the end of it. Hopefully you can see that right there. And that locks in against this dowel, and that's what holds it in place. Now, you don't want to tighten it up because your brakes will drag. You want to make sure you have a little bit of play, but also you want to check it and make sure you don't have a mile of throw, because then when you go to press your rear brake, it will be challenging just for your ankle movement to make the rear brakes function. Other than that, there's not a whole lot to it.